guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn how to design different slab including cantilever, steel structure, analyze and design in StatPro. Okay, so let's begin. First open StatPro, click on new project, click on space and give a name, different slab, steel structure. Okay, then select length unit meter and force unit kilometer. You can change the length and force unit and change the location. Then click on next, then select add beam, then finish. Now we have to create the building. Okay, I'm going to create the building using the grid. I'm going to edit it. For that, go to edit and select the XZ plane. Okay, then click then increase the length 15 in the X and 20 in the Z, spacing 1 meter. Then okay, now we have create a building. I'm going to just create a building. Two, three, 4. Give a space 4. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give a space 5, and this is 4. Press Ctrl to create anywhere, to create a node in anywhere. Now our nodes are created. Switch off the grid. Now I have to add the beams. This is our building in different slabs. Okay, now copy the nodes, paste the nodes in the Y direction 3 meter. Okay, again copy the node which are selected, paste the node in the minus Y direction, so give -2. Okay, now delete these nodes because this is a cantilever. Now select the whole nodes, go to geometry and go to connect beam along with Y axis. Okay, now go to front views, go to the upper portion, go to geometry, create beam along X axis and Z axis. So this is our building. You can increase the height. For that, go select the upper portion, go to transitional repeat. In the y direction, spacing 3 meter, number of steps give 2. Select the link steps and hit OK. Now these are building. Okay, now you have to give the support. For that, go to support page, select create, add the fixed support. Now select the support, select all the nodes where you give the supports and click on assign to selected nodes and assign them yes. Now our supports has been created. Now you have to give property. For that, go to property page. Now for steel structure, go to section database, select Indian, and I am going to select I shape. Select this section and add the section, close it. Now this section goes to the whole structure. Now for that, go to assign to view, assign yes. Now our property has been given. You can check the 3D view. See, this is our building. Close it. Now I have to give property give load. For that, go to load page, select load case detail, add it, loading time, date, give the title date, add the date, load, then loading time, select live, give title live, then add it, close it, select the date load, add it, select the self load, member load. In the member load, give force minus 10 kilonewton, then add it, then add the floor load minus 5.5. now we have to define the Y range. Now select node cursor and this is the 0 on Y, and for this node 9. So minimum is 0 and maximum is 9, because this is the maximum Y range is 9. Okay, now click on add, close. Now add, select the self weight and it goes to the whole structure. For that, go to assign to view, assign yes. Now select the member load and it goes to the members beams. For that, go to select beams parallel to X and select beam parallels to Z. Okay, now click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Now our loads has been given. You can see. Now go to live load, add floor load minus 2, range is same as dead load, maximum 9, add, close. Now our live load and dead load has been given. Now we have to add combination load. For that, go to load case detail, add, define combination, or you can go to auto load combination. Start will automatic combination the loads. Now go to define combination, give the combination 1.5. now this is the available load, select the loads and add it, close it. Now our combination load has been created. Now we have to analyze it. For that, go to command analyze, perform analyze, no print, OK, analyze, run analyze, save. It may take some seconds. So This is good news. There is no error, no warning. Okay, so our analyze is perfect, modeling is complete. Okay. Now click on done. Now we have to design the structure. For that, go to still design. Now we have to create envelope first. For that, go to new envelope. Now select the combination load, then hit OK. Now go to member design. Now select member setup. Now we have to form the members. For that, go to select beams parallel to X and then select beam parallels to Z. Then go to member design, physical members, and go to auto form members and select it. Now our members has been created. See, this is the members. All the members are created. Now select the columns. For multiple, select, press Ctrl from your keyboard and select the columns. Then go to member design, physical members and auto form members. Okay, now all the members has been created. Okay, so now you have to go to briefs and groups. At first you have to create a brief. For that, go to new brief, select your design code. I'm going to select IS 800 for Indian code and yield strength 250,000 Nm². Then hit OK. Now go to new design group. Now add a group, select 3 member and pass it here, then hit OK. Now go to the results and report, then go to member design, perform design, group design, then hit check code. Our group design is complete. Okay, then again go to member design and perform group design and go to member selection. Okay, now our members has been designed and it is pass. Okay, now again go to briefs and groups. For design the rest members, go to new design group, add a new group, add 20 group here, up to 20, then select here, then hit OK. Now go to design resultant reports, go to member design, perform group design, check code. Okay, now see here, this is the original section and design section. This is all the same. Original section and design section are all same. Now this pass, the member which I have selected is passes the loads. Okay, now when I go to member design, perform group design, member design, perform group design and select the member selection, and see this is changed to 16, that is the thickness of flange changed to 12. Okay, and it is also pass. Okay, now again go to briefs and groups, go to new design group. Now add a new group. Now add the rest of the members, select it, then hit OK. Now go to resultant reports, go to member design, perform group design, check code. Okay, now go to member design, perform group design and member selection. Group design completed successfully, and you can see the designs here, and it also has been passed. Okay, all the member passed. You can check the calculation. You can have the calculation. You select any member and go to member design and view design calculation, and you can have the design calculation here. Okay, and it is saved. You can go to the post processing. Okay, you can have the reaction for the columns. All the reactions are here. Okay, so that's it. Also you can output the reports here. Okay, all the reports. Okay, so that's it. That's how you're gonna design a with different slab in steel structure including cantilever. Okay, if you have any problem, comment on the video. I will get back to you. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and share. So thank you.